planting my plants. Because that's always the language. If you plant my plants, you spend all your time making sure nobody takes your place. You don't even succeed in what you're doing. Tensions in the office. He is mindful about his followers. You are a leader entrepreneur. You are mindful about your followers. He and them are all stressed up. Remember Boko Haram now? You are a leader, entrepreneur, you are stressed up. Your workers who are stressed up, not so. Because all of us listen to news, not so. This morning there was another attack in Kolofata. Everybody's stressed up. His followers are looking up to him for leadership. Patron, he teaches them Tesho, Team Spirit Holistic Program. That's the meaning of Tesho. Tesho means Team Spirit Holistic. We are going to sing a small song as we go along. Do what I do. When I say do what I do, you say Tesho. Do what I do. Tesho. What I do, stand up. Do what I do. Tesho. What I do. Tesho. Do what I do. Tesho. What I do. Tesho. Do what I do. Tesho. What I do. Tesho. Do what I do. Tesho. What I do. Tesho. Do what I do. Tesho. What I do. Tesho. Do what I do. Tesho. What I do. Tesho. Do what I do. Tesho. Please sit down. Thank you very much. Yes. Tesho.
Sweetheart.
Yes.
You know I'm going to be ahead tomorrow.
Okay, true.
Yeah. And I've been looking for my blue shirt. I don't know where it is.
No, I know where it is. It's hanging in the closet.
All right. Please, can I wear it tomorrow? Do you think I can wear it tomorrow?
No problem. I'll wash it. I will also wash that your black trousers to go with it. I will iron it.
I think we have a dinner in the restaurant before I go tomorrow. Daddy, you have a good day. Thank you. God bless you. Take care of yourself for me. Okay, you see, we made a choice to be. He's made a choice to be positive with his wife, and I've made a choice to be positive with him. As he's going to work, he's happy. As I stay at home, I'm happy, not so. In medicine, we call it secretion of oxytocin. Oxytocin is the hormone that the mother secretes when she's breastfeeding the child. You see, when a mother and child are breastfeeding, they are very happy, not so. They are calm. And we say breast milk is good for the child because of oxytocin. Prevents diseases, makes the baby to sleep well, good digestion, protects from illnesses. Same thing happens in people who are happy. When your husband is happy and you are happy, you secrete oxytocin. You hardly have colds, you are hardly ill, your blood pressure is down, your muscles are relaxed, you are smiling. As you're smiling outside, inside your body is secreting oxytocin. Yes. Yes. That's why you have to make a choice to be positive in life. Okay. Thank you, sweet husband. Sit down. And now, we're going to have a negative husband. Negative husband. C'est quoi? Where's my blue shirt?
Look at trouble. Which blue shirt? Are you a baby?
Did I give you my blue shirt wash?
I said, have you left a slave in this house to be washing your shirts for you?
Listen, madam.
day that you see me wash your shirt in this house, call me Doc. Touch me. Touch me. Don't touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me and see. He will not be like that. He will not be that kind of husband in Jesus' name. He was just acting. You see, when people quarrel, when they finish, stupid woman. You stupid man too. What is happening? They are secreting adrenaline. You know adrenaline now? Yes, for fight and flight. Even though they are not fighting physically, inside they are fighting. Muscles bunched up, contraction of muscle, gastritis, leg muscles bunched up. You see headache. As he's going to work, oh my head, adrenaline. She too stays in the house. My belly, I get gastric. I don't know what. All because of the effect of adrenaline. They made a choice to be negative. As he's negative, me too, I'm negative. He's negative, I'm negative. A woman has a very powerful weapon, her tongue. That she can use to kill a man, not so. On parle même, tu es un homme. Hein? Quand on parle des hommes, tu es un homme. Hein? Tu dis même quoi? Hein? Tu fais même quoi dans cette maison? Hein? Ton rôle, c'est même quoi dans cette maison? You understand? So, it's a choice that people make every day in their communication. And many people don't know. They've never learned that facial expression. A woman can just make to the man like that. The man will feel so little. Has she said anything? No. She has not said anything. But the man will feel this little because communication is not just about talking. It's about body language, facial expression, tone of voice, and all of that. Those are things that we learn in the Tesho program. And now, it is hard work to be the winning team. I'm not going to fool you. Marriage is not easy. Relationships are not easy. La réconciliation n'est pas laisse comme ça, non? Yes. Those are things that, you know, we need to learn in the Tesho program. You don't tell your wife when she's angry, let's come, son, no. Or you tell your husband, only that small thing, now you vex today. La gestion financière à la Tesho, very important. A wife learns how to receive money from the husband. A husband learns how to give money. A wife learns how to budget. A wife learns how to appreciate. A husband, there's so many things to learn. Gestion des conflits de la belle famille et des enfants adoptifs. Big problem in marriages. We need to learn how to manage that. Et le plus important, c'est... Qui a dit sexuel? Merci, on applaudit pour lui. Expérience de médecin, je vous dis. L'époux a 45 ans, l'épouse 40 ans, 20 ans de mariage. Question, et votre vie sexuelle, madame? Réponse, docteur, on parle des choses comme ça. J'ai déjà fait mes enfants. Je n'ai plus besoin de ça. Hein? Alors, elle est ignorante que le mari a toujours besoin de sexe malgré les enfants. Oui. Et parce que parler sexe est tabou dans notre contexte, en tant que médecin, j'ai compris que je dois parler de ça. Et on parle de la sexualité dans Tesho. How do we, husband and wife, win the match? J'ai dit que monsieur, c'est le capitaine, non? la femme est coach. Ils ont un match important à jouer. Ça se joue en 3 temps. Avant le match, c'est l'échauffement. Hello. L'échauffement est tellement important pour une femme. Oui. Beaucoup d'hommes ne savent pas. Hein? Deuxième temps pendant le match et après le match. Le capitaine et le coach doivent gérer les 3 temps avec tact pour gagner le match ensemble. Avec tact, oui, on ne commence pas le match en tirant le penalty. Cameroon Leadership Academy. This is the first time I've been invited to come and talk here. I'm really impressed with the organization. To bring together over 100 young people, to be this dedicated to learn is not an easy task. And when I look at the program and what they've been able to achieve, then I realize that they're on to something really big. Really big. I don't know if they themselves realize that, what they're onto is really big, changing young minds for tomorrow, for the Cameroon of tomorrow. That's really huge. And I want to congratulate them. I want to tell them kudos. Go ahead.
I just wanted to say that there we learned a lot. We learned a lot about team spirit, respecting others, and ensuring their participation as well.
Okay, and what I learned, is that every little thing counts. In fact, they try to bring out, they try to help you to understand that if you have even a little vision, it is important, and to go right to the end of this. Everything that we have was conceived by someone, even a cup to facilitate life. Yes. So if you have any idea, you just push forward, to
and then as a leader, you have to bring in the best in others by you yourself being an example, a role model to them.
And trusting that they have their own forte and they will push on and everyone will drive forward so everyone will.
It's Phil Bill.
Capacity building of a soul, of 100 of Cameroon, of a soul, for Cameroon's emergence, of a soul, Cameroon Leadership Academy, of a soul, capacity building, of a soul, of 100 of Cameroon, of a soul, for Cameroon's emergence, of a soul, go ahead Africa, limited. De l'Afrique, dans cette opportunité, une fois par an, à des jeunes garçons et filles, inscris-toi en ligne, c'est gratuit. Team building, entertainment, active citizenship, and time management.
Depuis 3 jours, nous sommes très impressionnés par le niveau d'engagement de ces futurs leaders entrepreneurs. Déjà, on a vu le réveil matinal à 5h30, exercice physique, sport, mais surtout exercice de cohésion, le team building. Et hier, c'était les jeux de stratégie, d'anticipation, parce qu'il est important en tant que leader et entrepreneur de pouvoir anticiper, de pouvoir se projeter dans l'avenir, mais aussi de connaître comment pense le compétiteur, comment pensent nos adversaires. Dans un monde globalisé, je pense que le défi du leadership du jeune Camerounais n'est plus un défi seulement national, mais un défi, je dirais, régional, africain et même mondial. Et le jeu de Fushimi a été un jeu intéressant d'anticipation. Après, nous avons aussi eu une très belle présentation d'un leadership féminin affirmé, le Dr Fond, développer et convaincre les futurs leaders d'âme qu'il y a une possibilité effective de pouvoir associer la vie de famille, qui est quelque chose de symbolique et quelque chose qui tient à cœur tous ces jeunes dames, et la carrière professionnelle. Et elle a si bien fait, déjà sur le plan théorique, des grands concepts, mais surtout en procédant par témoin. Et nous aurons une cérémonie d'ouverture présidée par le ministre Grégoire Ona, ministre du Travail et de la Sécurité sociale. Ça sera un grand moment où nous allons aussi reconnaître et célébrer 50 académiciens sur les 100. N'oubliez pas, lorsque vous faites l'édition, comme cette édition, à la fin d'une semaine de formation et d'activités intenses, physiques, morales, spirituelles et même d'engagement réel, on vous remet un certificat de participation. 6 mois après, vous êtes évalué sur ce que vous devenez et les actions concrètes que vous avez menées dans votre communauté, soit sur le plan professionnel ou sur le plan de vos activités sociales. Ce n'est qu'après ça, on vous délivre le diplôme de fin de formation de l'académie. Et cette année, c'est 50 sur les 100 formés l'année passée recevront les certificats de main du ministre Grégoire Ona.
Tu es notre seul